very, very soon.
Prime Minister Narendra Modi today unveiled a bronze statue of freedom fighter Alluri Sitarama Raju at a special program on his 125th birth anniversary celebrations at Bhimavaram in West Godavari district, Andhra Pradesh. Speaking on the occasion, Prime Minister Modi said alongside with the Amrit Mahotsav of 75 years of independence, the country is celebrating 125th anniversary of Alluri Sitarama Raju. He said Rampa Kranti for country's independence has also completed 100 years. Paying tributes to Sitarama Raju, Prime Minister said Sitarama Raju's indomitable courage inspires every Indian. The Prime Minister said New India should be an India of the dreams of fighters who gave their lives for our freedom. He said in the past 8 years we have worked with full devotion, walking on the principles of Alluri Sitarama Raju towards the welfare of tribals.
जन्म से लेकर उनके बलिदान तक उनकी जीवन यात्रा हम सभी के लिए प्रेरणा है। उन्होंने अपना जीवन आदिवासी समाज के अधिकारों के लिए, उनके सुख दुख के लिए और देश की आजादी के लिए अर्पित कर दिया।